Is he shooting underneath the car?
Can you see him? Can you see him?
Stand by. He's laying down in the car. Let me see your hands.
Let's go that way to that car. Let's go this way.
You move. You move. Hold it. Let me see your hands.
Is that him on the ground?
Yes.
Hey, you all got the best on. I'll go for you.
No, we're holding till we see him.
Mike, watch the
Let me see your hands so I can help you. Let me see your hands so I can help you. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands.
Show your hands! Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Both hands.
Put your hands up!
Let me help you. Let me help you. Put the gun down. Let me see it. Let me see your hands.
Put your hands up!
Yeah, move here. Mike, keep cover.
Come on.
Get back. Get back. Yes, he's hit. Let me see your other hand so I can help you. Let me see your other hand. Let me see your other hand. He won't pull his hand out of the car. Let me see. I can't see his other hand. It's behind his back.
He's with me. Hey, someone's coming behind you. Hold on. He's coming behind you. You gotta run.
Okay.
Gun's not in his hand. Gun's not in his other hand.
Huh? Alright, let me clear this car.
Hold on. Don't move.
All right, no go.
Kings Highway, northbound. He fired shots at us. Turning on Talisman Drive Road. I believe he's got family over here. $30-30 Talisman. Get in the house! Get in the house!
go up your hands.
No, we're holding until we see him.
Okay. Hey, let me see your hands, guys. Mike, watch the window.
Let me see your hands so I can help you. Let me see your hands so I can help you.
Something out loud.
1486 for now. We're trying to get him to see his hands.
Mike, you see hands?
He's coming up. He's coming up.
Let me see your hands.
Show your hands. See his hands?
No.
Let me see your hands.
Show your hands. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Hold this.
Put your hands up.
Let me see your right hand. Lift it up and we'll come help you.
Let me help you. Let me help you. Put the gun down. Let me see it. Let me see your hands.
Put your hands up.
Don't do it, man. Put your hands straight up. We'll help you. Put your hands straight up. We'll help you. I'm serious. Let me see your right hand. Let me see it.
Let's pull back behind this car, guys.
Alright,
Back up. Back up. Back up.
back up.
Chad, back up.
Yeah, move here. Coming up.
All right, keep coming.
Back up. Back up. Back up.
Come up. Get back. Is he hit?
Yeah, he's hit.
Huh?
Let me see your other hand so I can help you. Let me see your other hand. Let me see your other hand.
He's trying to make a move,
Don't
man.
pull his hand out of the car. Let me see. I can't see his other hand. It's behind his back.
He's with me. Hey, someone's coming behind you. Hold on. He's coming behind you. You got right.
His right hand's empty.
Right hand.
Don't move.